Our financial guru, Alan Aquina, about his new book called The Super Duper Simple Book on Money. Alan, good to see you. Thanks for being here this morning.
Thank you, Kurt.
Alan joins us twice a week, but now he has a new book, and it can be yours free. Now, you can't make money giving away something free. Why are you doing that?
I'm doing it from my heart.
Oh, okay.
This is my first book. I figure I'll have more books later. The first one, let's give it to everybody for free.
Alan's given a lot of folks good financial advice. What's the #1 thing that you tell folks when it comes to handling their money?
Well, this book contains the 5 money principles that everyone should know. And I want to start with principle #1, which is money in.
Money in.
Money in. That's called income. There's 3 sources of income that everyone should obtain or try to get. Money from a job, paycheck, then there's business income, and then there's investment income from paper assets or real estate.
All right. We hope everybody works, so that's one source. Now, when you invest, are there certain things that you should think about when you're talking about investments?
Yeah, the second source is business income. So you can invest in the business for yourself or with a friend, someone else's business. That gives you a great source of income if you do it right. And the third source is paper assets or real estate. Paper assets are things like stocks, bonds, mutual funds. Then real estate, you can invest in 2 different ways. I call it cash flow or cash now.
And it's a good idea to own some kind of property. I mean,
Yeah,
there's only so much to go around.
That's right, and it's called diversification. And when you have these 3 different sources of income, now you're diversified. And in the book, the free book that they can get from AlanAquina.com, AlanAkina, you can download it for free and read about it today.
Fantastic. Alan, always good to see you. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Kurt.
What's the shirt say?
101 University, 101 Financial University, money education.
All right. Look for it, AlanAquina.com, and you can have the book for free.
Yep, get it today.
Thanks, Alan. All right.